Hello, my creative friends. I just have a little video tutorial for you on creating the pleated paper ribbons. So this is a great way to use up your scraps of paper, which we know we all have them, and we are either hoard them or we don't know what to do with them and sometimes throw them out. But hang on to your paper scraps, especially these long strips like this. These ones I started out with an inch paper, and then here is my 1/4 inch, and in these ones I just used very old dictionary paper. But you can mix and match however you like, using any kind of paper. Any of your scraps, mix and match them and just experiment to see what your paper ribbons can look like. The thing too, I've said before, what I absolutely love about Graphic 45 is that even within different paper lines, their colors very often coordinate with one another. So I'll just sort of pick a palette, and maybe this one I'm doing is going to be like yellows and blacks. And then I can just pull all my scraps from various paper lines of Graphic 45 because they work so well together. And then just get those ready, and I have got my 1-inch strips and my dictionary paper, and then we're going to go ahead and do this. So like I said, really simple. So you just layered them in there. I just did a straight stitch forward and backwards to create my my knot, I guess you might say, and then I'm just going to go forward. So I just fold directly from here. So just fold your paper forward. This way it's if the fold is facing you, it will sew better. So if you want, you can do 2 at a time, like that. Now remember, this does not have to be perfect. So nothing about creating has to be perfect. There's no such thing. So just have fun with it. It doesn't matter if the lines are completely straight or anything like that. And you'll see after that they look great. And I'll also show you some samples of what I've done with them. But for now, I'll just show you how simple this is. I won't talk too much because the sewing machine can be loud. So. So as you can see, now we've come at the end of our dictionary paper there. So I'm just going to grab another strip. Here we go. And I'm just going to slip it underneath that fold and then reconnect it. So basically it's just going to be like that, under that fold. And now we're out of pattern paper. So let's grab a piece of pattern paper, and we're going to stick that also underneath that fold. And now we're on to our next step. So we don't have to, excuse me, we don't have to stop or restart. We're just carrying on. So we're just slipping them underneath the previous fold, and away we go. Once you start doing this, you're going to love it. You're going to have fun. You're just going to create this huge strip of paper ribbon and coil it up in your stash. You can see it goes quite quickly, so you can get lots done. And I'm going to pop in there another strip of the dictionary paper. And then we're going to put another piece of pattern paper as well. And you can combine all kinds of you know, different papers, different things, and also switch up your thread color too. I often just use black, but that's good to switch those up. Oops. Now I have this partially done one here, so I might just connect this one onto here. So never done this before, so let's give it a try. Because I had sort of a short one that I'd done. And then I'm going to just connect these two pieces, go back and forth. And there we go. So let's take a look at that. So here's some of my paper ribbon. And again, it's not perfect and equal all the way through, but it's super fun. And then I'll show you some uses for it. So I hope you get an idea of how to do that. And give it a try with your scraps, because those scrap papers are too beautiful to throw out. So give this a try. I'd love to see what you've done with it. And have a wonderful creative day. Bye-bye.